things happen on our daily routine and people don't realize anything. Our way not always straight. We also will find a steep corner, a sharp turn, road uphill. But if we realize, all will give us a lesson in life. We have to be grateful at anywhere we found ourselves, whether good or bad. Destiny cannot change itself. The qualification that give you a job is the same qualification someone has but doesn't have a job. Be grateful. The prayer Allah answered for you is the same prayer others have been saying without success yet. Be grateful. The road you use safely on a daily basis is the same road many others died on. Be grateful. The place which you worship and Allah blessed you is the same place other people worship it, but their lives are still in discord and shambles. Be grateful. The bed he used in the hospital, both healed and discharged, is the same bed many other people died on. Be grateful. The condition you went through and come out alive. Hundreds have gone through it this year alone and they are dead and forgotten. Be grateful. The rain that made your field produce good crops is the same rain that destroyed someone's field. Be grateful. Be grateful because whatever you have in this world is not by your power, human or your qualification, but rather by the grace and will of Almighty Allah. You can see, hear, smell, or feel. Remember, He is the giver of everything you have. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us on our good intention, show pity on us, ease our ways. Ya Allah, we seek for forgiveness. We know you are the forgiver. Forgive our sin and protect us against any epidemic. Ya Badi Usamawati wal Ard, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. Amin.